Okay, so eto na yung kita ko yung chat ko. Eto na yung expired beer. Well, I try to do some Google and check what will happen. Okay. So this is Kozel. I don't know how to pronounce it. I smelled it. Mabango pa rin. So, nilagay ko siya sa freezer for a while. Hindi na ganun kalasa. Pero okay pa rin. Para kang uminom nung light beer, like parang Carlton Drought or ano pa ba mga light? Actually, ano lang siya eh. It's only 4% alcohol. So, kaya siguro, hindi rin siya ganun katapang. So, para ka lang uminom, yung isa sa pinaka-light na beer na natikman ko is Carlton Drought. Meron pang isa, I can't remember the name, na sobrang, yun, very smooth yung taste actually. Parang, feeling ko hindi ako, wala lang. Pero masarap. Boring. Sasabihin nung isa kong kaibigan dyan, boring. Yes, boring kasi hindi siya bitter. Hindi ako bitter. So, how do I... Wala, hindi ko siya kayang basahin. It's Kozel. German ba to? I really don't know. I have no idea. So, it's 500 ml. And I think I can finish it quite easily. So, ayan, bong. Matabang. But it doesn't taste bad. Like it doesn't taste panis or spoiled. Panis. Spoiled. So, ang nangyari, ang lasa niya is matabang. Flat. The taste is flat. So, para lang umiinom ka ng the lightest beer that you can ever taste. So, I don't know as well kung may alcohol pa to or what. Pero, anyways, I still have an ice cold beer. And it's still a source of carbs, I think. So, cheers! Sarap. Masarap kasi malamig, pero matabang. Like, matabang talaga. May konting bitter. Konting bitterness. Pero, hindi distinct yung bitterness niya. Okay? So, yun. So, I think pwede ba inumin yung mga expired beer ko dun sa fridge. So, kasi yun nga, I'm collecting beers. So, yan. Since nainom ko na siya, tatabi ko na lang tong can. Kasi I really like to collect beers. So, isipin ko na lang kung paano ko i-upcycle to or paano ko siya itatabi. Okay? O, yun lang. And yun din, kung nag-iisip kayo ng regalo sa akin, kapal ng mukha no? Trabaho kasi na pag nag-travel ako, if I go to another country, another place, I would try their beer, not because I'm alcoholic, but just because I wanted to experience as well their culture in terms of what they drink. So this is also one way for me to understand ano ba yung culture nila and history behind the beers that has been popular in their place. So ayun lang. Bye!